Hi, guys. I cannot believe this is week 5, our final week. This week, we're talking about organizing and managing literacy instruction and family literacy partnerships. Chapter 13, which is organizing and managing literacy instruction, talks about how to help children manage their behavior in school, to organize for a literacy-rich physical environment, organize for differentiated instruction, organize for guided reading, which is small group explicit instruction of skills. Explain how to organize and manage daily literacy schedules. Chapter 14 talks about family literacy partnerships, home and school working together. At the end of the chapter, you should be able to discuss the role of families in developing literacy, describe a framework for involving parents in literacy instruction, identify materials and activities for creating a rich family literacy environment, explain cultural issues that influence family involvement in literacy, and list methods to cultivate family involvement in literacy instruction. So you have a reading assignment, which is literacy-rich environments. Which is from Reading Rockets. Your 2 discussion rubrics, and please make sure that you respond to a peer in each forum. Family literacy partnerships. For 5.1, you are to list and describe at least 3 suggestions that can be given to parents and guardians to promote literacy at home. 5.2 is to describe your instructional plans for a standard that you have chosen. Now, it's whole group, small group, and individual. You do not need to do a lesson plan, but that might help you as you think about your planning. So the standard, you have to plan for whole group, small group, and individual settings. So what you're doing is designing a center that will allow your students to practice the standard independently during standard time. If you have questions about this forum, please ask me. And you also have your parent involvement training session, which we've talked about this since week 1. They give you a choice of parents attending a parent literacy workshop. The topics can be teaching children with special concerns, language and vocabulary development, strategies to figure out words, not of figure out words, that's a typo, developing comprehension of text and concepts about books, writing, spelling, and literacy development, and the final one is motivating reading and writing. Please include how you will invite the parents and provide an environment that will encourage their attendance. Describe the topic of your workshop. Don't just list the topic, describe it. Include examples of a handout that you would give the parents and a form that you will give the parents to have them evaluate your workshop. Describe an activity you would do with the parents. How would you make accommodations if those parents don't use English as their first language? Or are the families challenged by factors caused by poverty? You need to post that on Moodle. And please remember to self-assess with the rubric before submitting. Here is the rubric. Is your writing clear, concise? Have you used terminology correctly? Did you address all of the requirements that I just reviewed? Are you able to show a deep understanding of the fundamental principles? Is the training session topic relevant? Now, this is the part, handouts and evaluation. Have you attached creative examples of handouts and the evaluation with your submission? Please attach those. Don't just describe it to me. That's not interesting to parents. The more creative and colorful you can be, it's going to attract the parent's eye, and they're saying, oh, I want to see that paper. I want to go to this. So if you have questions, please email me. Thank you. I look forward to seeing your projects this week.